Hello guys, hope you are doing well. So today, I will tell you the best content of YouTube Shorts that you can work easily and generate millions of dollars through it. Before starting the video, please subscribe the channel for more informative videos like this. So I have opened my YouTube and I will search here the best easiest niche to make dollars, so you can search would you rather. Yep, these are the videos that we will create. So as you can see, there are long and shorts, both videos are there. You can work on both of these. But I suggest you to create shorts first, so it will boost your channel views. Watch this short. It's basically the choice shorts you have already seen in your mobiles. People choose something in two choices and they wait and watch the whole video. So that is the trick that it will give the channel millions of views. You can see the channel have only 26 videos and have over 450k subscribers. You can also do the same. You can see the views they are getting. You can see they are getting millions of views on their videos, like 4 million, 3 million. You can also do this by uploading these kinds of videos. So now you have to open Google and type canva.com. So open the Canva and sign in. Now I have made the template of this. So I have just opened it. And now you can see the template. You are seeing this template in which colors are there. You can also do the same. Just go to the elements and type rectangle, so rectangle will pop up. You can adjust this rectangle. You easily customize it and change its color and pattern, but I will recommend you the red and blue color combination. Then you have to write the choices minimum, 3 choices you will put, so the length will be good. You can find these kinds of choices from ChatGPT. So go to ChatGPT and type like top 5 beautiful places and like top 5 horror places. It will give you the names of it. You can also find these choices from YouTube. Just see the other people's choices and change it. Now head back to Canva and put the choices into 2 text and download a 10-second timer from YouTube. And after the time, put the percentages in the short and also download the background sound from YouTube. So yeah, you can do the little bit of editing and make these kinds of videos daily. So you should upload 3 shorts daily, and after a month, if you will work with consistency, your channel will easily get 10 million views in a single month. So yeah, please subscribe the channel for more informative videos.